Hey guys, what's up? This is Zan, and today we are going to install Havoc-OS official on the LG G6. But before that, I'm going to tell you that why I'm not making a video about LG G6 from last some days, from so many days, because I'm getting this error by installing any ROM, not by installing stock ROM and Pixel experience ROM, but other ROMs like Havoc, M. I think there is another extended something ROM. When I try to install those ROMs, I get this error. So I'm sorry that it take a long time to figure me out how to fix that. So if you are getting this error 7 on installing any ROM, please let me know. I will make a video how to fix it. Okay, so without wasting a time, let's install the Havoc-OS. My phone is off right now. I'm going to press the power and the volume down as always. And right here, I will release the power button and press it again. Okay, so now we are in the LG recovery mode, and I hope my camera can focus on this. Okay, so I'm pressing the volume down and the power, and again the same thing. And now we are going to boot into the recovery mode, TWRP. So here we are in the top recovery. So in here, I'm going to wipe. So I'm going to wipe, advanced wipe, Delvic system, data, internal cache. So my ROM and the ROM file and the GApps file in the SD card, so that's why I'm forwarding the internal storage as well. So it's done, and we are going to now we are going to go back, and we are going to install section, and we are going to select the SD card, and now we have to select the OS, which is Havoc-OS right here. It's 3.7 and it's the official build by Havoc. So first I'm going to flash that, and let's see this time it works or not, because I just figure out how to fix the error 7. So I'm not skipping any of these processes, so you can see how it works. And by the way, Havoc-OS does not include GApps, so you have to download the GApps. You can download the Pico or the Micro, so it will have Play Store, so you can install more apps from the Play Store. But I have downloaded the full GApps, so I will go with that. It's almost done. Okay, so it's done flashing the ROM. Now we are going to flash the GApps, and I have open GApps full version, which is ARM 6410 410. I'm going to flash that as well. And I haven't tried to flash Magics on this ROM. I don't know this ROM works with that, or you can root it or not, but we will try it in some other videos. But in this video I'm going to show you how to install Havoc and with GApps. if I can show you, yeah, now you can see clearly. So installing core G apps and now installing swipe libs. I don't know what all that things. Maybe these are apps like installing books, battery usage, etc. Okay. This lock thing is annoying. I have to turn it off. My battery is 82%, CPU is 38 centigrade. By the way, LG G6 will got so many smudges with your fingers like this, you can see. And this is pretty old phone. As you can see, the camera lenses are almost done here, but I can still capture good photos with that. I will show you in some videos. Okay, so it's doing its thing, and we're here on Messenger markup. I don't know what is that. These are some background services and some apps, so I'll never see like markup app in the phone after installing that. So yeah, but it's a full pack of OpenG apps, so it will take some time. Like it's 500 megabytes, I guess. Why it's running off again and again? I have to like make the time limit. I have to extend it. Okay, the play games, Pixel Launcher. Actually, it's installing Pixel Launcher, but I don't think it's have Pixel Launcher. So okay, so G apps have Pixel Launcher, yeah. But in this ROM, it's come with the Launcher, which you can also download from the Play Store, I guess. Okay, so from some days I will like uploading the video of my Illustrator. I'm new to Illustrator and I'm making some graphics like mobile phones and technology stuff, and I like it, and yeah, I will keep doing that graphic designing stuff on this channel as well. And I will, now I figure out how to fix that error 7, so now I will make some more videos like that on LG G6 as well. So we are here more than 8 minutes, almost 9 minutes, and we are still installing the ROM with G apps. Hopefully this time my camera battery won't die, because it was not full as well. Sorry for the dirty background. So it's done here, it said like done. So without doing anything, I'm just going to reboot. Let me show you. Okay, I'm going to reboot the LG G6. Okay, let's see the boot animation. So it's kind of a loading thing of Windows 10 PC. Maybe not, it's not, it's just line, it's not the dots. Maybe I will fast forward that thing, but I don't know. I want to know how we got the setup, like the starting wizard. Yeah, phone is getting really hot here. Okay, it's taking some time. And boot animation is kind of not satisfying, like look like you're in the boot loop or something. But I don't know. Let me just wait. I don't know what's going on. Here is my camera. Oh, finally. So I wasn't expecting that much of a time in the first boot up, but finally we are here. So it's blinking this thing, but I'm not clicking that. Just do start, skip, continue. Yes, we are going to skip all those things, and we want to see the home screen. By the way, this is the first time any ROM take that long to boot up. In my case, I never saw like flashing any ROM and take that long. Not even the stock ROM of the LG G6. So I think we are on the home screen now. Yeah, some notifications. So yeah, that G apps install the Pixel launcher, but let me show you what launcher it came with. Okay. Oh, so this is, I think this is the Pixel launcher, not the. Let me press the home key. Just for now. Okay. So this is, I think, the other launcher called Use Steady Launcher. I don't know what is that. Steady Launcher as home. And if we like choose the Pixel launcher for now, and this is the Pixel launcher, there's no difference. How can you tell? So it came with these keys, but why we are going to install Android 10 to use the older functions. So you can like type here navigation, I guess, and you can enable the swipe thing. Okay, but in this ROM I see that some of the feature like are really different. Well, last time it was different, but I got I think this is a new update or something. So let me show you what I'm running. So this is the H872 right here, and Android 10. Okay, so that's how you can install the Havoc-OS, and this is the most like many of people saying that us in the comments of my videos and in other YouTube videos, that this is the ROM. If you're going to install any customer, you should install this one because it has so many customization. And I don't know, maybe it's right here something. It's have its own like section where, yeah, this is configuration center. So in this one, in this thing, you have so many options to customize your look and feel of your phone. Pixel Experience ROM doesn't have that. So that's how you can install the Havoc-OS. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Make sure to like this video and share with your friends, whoever have the LG G6, and subscribe to my channel for more videos on the LG G6. And I hope it focuses. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.